Multiple employees and managers at the Clark County Family Court are under investigation for allegedly covering up a sexual assault by a court marshal. The I-Team has uncovered video showing a woman claiming a court marshal sexually assaulted her. She later was arrested by that same marshal, who has since been fired. The I-Team's Nathan Baca here now to show us how an internal affairs investigation is revealing much larger problems at Family Court.
Well, Dave, it's not just one single case. There's multiple marshals involved and allegations ranging from sexual assaults to choking a citizen in court. This investigation begins with a 2011 video we've uncovered showing family court marshals arresting a woman because she claimed one of them sexually assaulted her. A warning, some of the details of the story may be disturbing to some.
So I'm just going to close the case out and dissolve the order.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Monica Contreras came to family court with her 2-year-old daughter. She was in court for only a few minutes on a routine divorce case. According to internal court documents reviewed by the I-Team, Family Court Marshal Ron Fox ordered Contreras into a waiting room by herself for an unexplainable drug search. Contreras says Marshal Fox touched her buttocks, breast, and ordered her to lift up her shirt. A later internal investigation validated her claims. Contreras went right back into the same courtroom to tell hearing master Patricia Doninger her requests to have a female marshal search her were ignored.
I think I'd rather have a female in here. And he went in here and
This was going to take her home.
I was just offended by this.
Can't Mama go to her?
I'm just offended that he asked me to do that.
Okay, so the story stands, handcuff her.
Contreras pleads as Marshal James Kenyon begins to arrest her.
For what, sir?
Hold on.
Okay, why would I be arrested? Can you please tell me?
Turn around, put your hands behind your
Can you
back.
please tell me?
Turn around, put your hands
Because of
behind your
false
back.
allegations made against a police officer, so.
What?
We looked and could find no law supporting that arrest, let alone any law allowing an alleged sexual assault victim to be arrested by the alleged assaulter.
Jimmy, I got court, I still have to do this, so arrest her, I take the kid, we're done.
Why would you do that to me, sir?
Because you're making
I'm
false
not making
allegations.
false
After repeated attempts by marshals to get Contreras to recant her story, she breaks down.
Let me go, please. Let me go. It was all lies. I don't want to tell anything. It was all lies. All lies. All lies. All lies. Please stop.
We can do this the easy way, we can do this to her.
Marshal Fox tells Contreras the only way she can avoid jail is to step up to the microphone and recant. Contreras agrees, but does the opposite.
When you asked me to lift up my shirt without a witness, you asked me to lift up my shirt without a witness.
For 4 minutes, Contreras pleaded to hearing master Patricia Doninger to hear her. Doninger didn't look at the alleged sexual assault victim, deciding instead to play with Contreras' daughter.
How could you do this to me? How could you watch? How could you watch?
Contreras' 2-year-old daughter confronts the marshals arresting her mother.
Have them come over, please.
He said, can you please pull up my shirt without a witness? And I said, I don't think that's a good idea.
Yes, I do. Get us
No.
if you have a female.
Contreras kisses her daughter before being sent to jail. Her young daughter sent to Child Haven. 2 months later, Contreras filed a complaint with Court Martial Internal Affairs. Sources tell the I-Team investigators were shocked. They never heard of the alleged courthouse sexual assault from Family Court Lieutenant Steve Rushfield. After a 6-month Internal Affairs investigation, Marshal Ron Fox was fired. Nobody from Clark County told Monica Contreras that. She found out because we found her. Contreras asked that we blur her face.
I just hope I did the right thing by telling Internal Affairs. It makes me feel good because now I know that I was right.
We went to the top of Clark County Court Administration. They released a statement reading, "Court personnel are prohibited from commenting on the video because it's a personnel matter. When the actions of any district court employee are called into question, the court immediately responds by conducting a fair, thorough investigation and upon completion taking appropriate action." Even though Marshal Fox was fired, sources tell the I-Team Clark County is widening its investigation into why this incident and a growing number of assault allegations were never reported by family court management to Internal Affairs.
Marshal Ron Fox maintains his innocence and is suing Clark County for wrongful termination. His attorney declined an on-camera interview, but in court filings claims the marshal's arrest was just because nobody in the courtroom tried to stop him. With the entire 6-minute courtroom video, that's on our website.
Hard to watch, especially the little girl.
Yeah. It's,
and the judge is not culpable in any way in this.
Well, she is under investigation.
Okay.
A lot of people are under investigation, so we're going to be following the story.
I guess so. All right. Thanks a lot.
What are you allegation that my officer did?
I mean, he had me in the room and he asked me, he said, listen, I'm supposed to have a female with me and have her check your bra for me, but I just want to get you out of here. He said, so can I just have you pull up your shirt and show me that there's no drugs in that? And I said, well, I would surely let you check my bra because I'm not scared of anything. I said, but I really don't trust. That's a good idea. I think I'd rather have a female. And he went in there and
This one's gonna take her home.
I was just offended by this.
How come? Can't Mama go to her?
I'm just offended that he asked me to do that.
Okay, so the story stands. Handcuff her.
Why
We'll
would
bring
I
her
be
in.
handcuffed? Why would I be arrested?
Can we do something with the
Why
little?
would I be arrested though? For what?
Hold on.
For what, sir?
Hold on.
Okay, why would I be arrested? Can you please tell
Turn
me?
around, put your hands behind your
Can you
back.
please tell me?
Turn around, put your hands
Because of
behind
false
your back.
allegations made against the police officer. So,
What?
if you could call up Child Haven for me.
How could you prove that that was false?
Turn around.
Okay, that was false.
You're
Do
saying it.
not turn around. I will also add
Why would I
instructions.
be? Okay, stop. What did I do to anyone?
Turn around.
Leave me alone, please.
Look down your over. Turn around.
Please stop.
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
You can watch the video.
The video in your
I
shirt.
just kind of cover myself. I'm just trying to stay out of trouble, sir. I never did anything to anyone. I'm a law-abiding citizen. How could you do this
Why are
to
you
me?
here?
Because my ex-husband is jealous of me and doesn't want me to succeed.
She'll be okay.
So nothing is your fault.
No, sir. He's making up everything. I never did anything to anyone. I've only been trying to be a good person my whole life. And this whole time, everybody keeps trying to beat me down.
Did your legs feel better?
Oh, my child.
Okay.
Leave me alone, please.
Ma'am, we are on record, right?
I don't want to press charges. I don't want to do anyone. I just want it to end. I just want to be good.
No, because you.
Please, sir.
Follow my
Yeah,
finger.
we're happy.
Just your eyes. Not
Do you
yours.
have a?
No, because if she wants to make the allegations, I'll pursue.
When was the last time you used anything?
I've never used drugs in my
Don't
whole
just follow
life.
the finger. You gotta do two things at once. Talk and watch. You've never used any kind of
No,
narcotics.
sir. You can drug test me. You can have a drug test.
Have we run her yet?
What's that?
Have we run her?
No, not yet. I haven't ran for warrants yet. The reason,
Have you ever been arrested
just so you
before?
guys see, there's nothing in my hands, nothing on the paper. This is our documents. Jimmy, I got court. I still have to do this, so arrest her. I take the kid. We're done.
Why would you do that to me, sir?
Because you're making
I'm
false
not making
allegations.
false allegations, sir. Why would you put me in this position? I'm a good person. Why would you say
You
that
already
to
just told me you were arrested once before for false allegations.
Yes, I was. Because I work for a nightclub and people are trying to ruin my life, sir. Why would you? How? For what are you arresting me for?
We already told you that.
No, I don't want to deal with this, please. I just want to end it. Okay, it was all lies. It was all lies. It was all lies. It was all lies. Let me go, please. Let me go. It was all lies. I don't want to deal with anything. It was all lies. All lies. All lies. All lies. Please stop.
We can do this the easy way. We can do this to her.
Why would you be
step out
arresting
here.
me?
So
Why would you be arresting me
on
right
record,
now?
on tape, in the
Step up.
courtroom.
I
Step
don't.
up to
I
the
just
table.
want to go home, please.
Miss,
I just want to
step
go
to
home,
the table.
please.
Step to the table.
That's what
Right
happened.
next to the
You
microphone.
you put me in the room and you asked me to lift up my shirt without a witness.
Okay.
You asked
Take
me to
it,
lift. You asked me to lift up my shirt without a witness.
Do me a control, please.
How could you do this to me? How could you watch? How could you watch?
She's got blue hair.
Hey.
You
Sorry.
asked me to pull up my shirt. Leave me alone. I don't want to go to jail. I'm just trying to defend myself.
First you said.
I don't want to go to jail. Can you please pull up your shirt without a witness? He said, can you please pull up your shirt without a
I'm
witness?
gonna have to take one kid to Child Haven, book into custody. If you can have them come over, pick up, please.
He said, can you please pull up your shirt without a witness? And I said, I don't think that's a good idea.
Yes, I do. Get us if you have a female. Alright, send me somebody.
How could you want this happening to someone?
Well, hey, sit right down over there, little one.
Leave me alone. Okay, having my purse.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Don't go anywhere yet. I'm gonna have somebody else walk you over there. I don't want her saying anything else or. Hey, young lady.
Oh my God. Please leave me alone. Why do people keep bothering me? Please leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
Yeah.
Go home now.
No, you've already lied. It's on record.
I didn't lie.
I'm gonna use these tapes.
I didn't lie. You told me to pull up my